So as far as our remote starts, we have multiple different options. We have the 910S, which is a one button, does remote start, lock, unlock. You get 800 feet of range with it. They're all diesel engine safe. As far as the 920S, it is a 4-button, which gives you everything the one button gives you, but now you have it all on a separate button. And you can do trunk release if your vehicle is compatible with a trunk release. Then we go to the 4900, which is a two-way unit. The two-way unit basically, instead of just the remote talking to the remote starter talks back and will let you know that your vehicle's running. It'll let you know it locked. It'll let you know it unlocked. The 4900 is also a 4-button, so it has trunk release built in. Really nice for people with SUVs that have powered liftgate. You can operate the powered liftgate straight from the remote. Then we have an upgraded RF kit, which is an LCD remote. This boosts your range up to 1 mile. Really nice remote. This remote tells you your temperature, your battery voltage. It'll send a series of different notifications, such as if your vehicle started, your vehicle stopped, you locked, you unlocked it. It even has alarms on it, timers, things like that. So if you know you're going to leave at a certain time in the morning, you can set an alarm to go ahead and start it. We also introduced this year the T-harness for a much less intrusive install when doing the remote starters. That basically gives you the option, if you trade your vehicle in a lot or you want to keep your remote starter but put it in a different vehicle, it's a lot easier to take out and put into another vehicle after that. We also brought on this year, we brought the Drone Mobile. Drone Mobile is essentially an add-on to your remote starter. This makes your smartphone basically your remote. Essentially, your smartphone will tell you if you're locked, if you're unlocked. It does everything the LCD remote does, plus a ton more, such as your vehicle status, and you get unlimited range with this. So as long as you have cellular service, you can lock, unlock, and start your vehicle from a county, 2 counties, even a state away. It's really cool. It is, you can sign up for a yearly plan, monthly plans with Drone Mobile. The big thing that Drone gives you on top of all that is you also get GPS tracking of your vehicle. So you always know where it's at. We also have multiple different add-on accessories for our remote starts. We have a security sensor with a shock sensor built in, compatible with all of our remote starts, so you can basically add on security to any remote start we do. We also have the Rps Touch, which is a keyless passcode entry. This mounts to your window, and essentially you can use a series of numeric keypad or keys to unlock the vehicle from the outside.